Elephant has been the national animal since the ancient times for labor and war purposes. Nowadays, Thailand has both wild elephants in the nature and domestic elephants for household use. They are well trained and intelligent that we can see closely in different tourist attractions. With mountainous landscape and abundant forest, the ecotourism becomes popular among Thai and foreign travelers who come to the camp. Travelers will enjoy spectacular shows by well-trained elephants and especially elephant riding through jungle in the comfortable atmosphere, as well as feeding and bathing with elephants. In addition to elephant camps, there's also Kanchanaburi Elephant Conservation Center, which is run by Ban Chaw Chang Chara Foundation. Ban Chaw Chang Chara does not have such activities as elephant shows or elephant riding, but the visitors will take part in taking care of injured or old elephants for better living, such as cultivating necessary plants for feeding elephants and preparing food that is the blend of sticky rice, pumpkins, and bananas in the shape of balls to help them eat easily, because most of these elephants in this foundation are old and do not have teeth for chewing food. The last thing to do is give them a bath and scrub to clean up their body on the bank of Khwae Yai River, amidst clean and clear water. If we talk about ecotourism with elephant, Kanchanaburi has another interesting place that shows close relationship between human and animal. It is Luang Ta Maha Bua Forest Temple or Tiger Temple, a tourist attraction for conservation of tigers in the vast area to keep them in natural environment as possible. The background of this tiger temple started when villagers took a 2-month-old female baby tiger to the temple from hunting for stuffing. It was then cured and recovered until it came to Savan. After that, the temple received more and more tigers because it is located near the border of Myanmar, which is a vast area of abundant forest, and hunters often chase after tigers and other animals. Tigers in the temple are tame because they are raised by monks and Thai and foreign volunteers and receive health treatment from veterinarians. The travelers will see the peaceful cohabitation of tigers with other wild animals, and they are good friends to monks and general public. A close touch and snapshot with tigers are possible with good care of officers in the temple. It must be incredible and thrilling experience for every visitor. Another must-do activity is visit to weekend market on the Saturday evening at Pak Prak Cultural Road in the city center of Kanchanaburi. It was once major market during World War II. You can explore old buildings, way of life, local arts and food, which is diverse and tasty. In the twilight atmosphere and with amiable people. This living ancient city of friendship will remain in your memory forever. Once in a lifetime in this land of friendship, nature, and serene way of life, enjoyment, excitement, impression, and cordial friendship. Kanchanaburi, Thailand.